Hi, it's Regina Huber, founder of Transform Your Performance, and this video is about showing up powerfully. A compelling magnetic presence makes all the difference in business, and it can determine whether you close a deal or not, whether you get a job that you want or not, whether you get the funding you need or not, whether you get the raise you want or not, and the list goes on. You may have heard that you have 7 seconds to make a first impression. But have you also heard that it takes a mere 0.07 seconds for our brains to figure out whether we can trust someone? That's about your body and energy conscious presence. The split of a second trust or distrust reaction is part of our survival mechanism. It happens automatically, whether we notice it consciously or not. And it happens so fast because as part of our survival mechanism, it could decide over life or death. So it has to be fast for our protection. Always remember, your energy speaks louder than your words and faster. So don't forget to prepare energetically for negotiations or any other challenging business situations, such as public speaking, presentations, whatever it is. And maybe try some techniques of my book, Speak Up, Stand Out, and Shine. This will allow you to show up with a more compelling body and energy conscious presence. So if you want a leadership position, show up as a leader. Leaders take the initiative. Leaders stand out. They are not afraid to be seen. Make a list of what showing up as a leader means to you and then act on it. And if you want to connect with your prospects as a business owner, what would make you more magnetic? So many people neglect the undeniable magic of energy. Once you know how to use it, it gets really, really powerful. So again, if you feel like you could use some tips to upgrade your business presence and your magnetism, check out my book, Speak Up, Stand Out, and Shine, with simple techniques to mentally, physically, and energetically prepare for your appearances in business, like meetings, presentations, job interviews, speaking situations, any type of negotiations, and see the difference they can make for you. Not just to enhance your presence, but also feel great about showing up because you're also raising your confidence in this way. You'll find the book on Amazon as Kindle or paperback. I promise it can also help you speak up, stand out, and shine, as it has helped me and so many of my clients and other readers. Watch out for my next video where we'll be talking about new possibilities. How exciting is that?